Okay friends, to get started on our inside door handle, we're going to start with a flathead screwdriver. Let's come right inside this area right here, and we're going to relieve this hatch. We'll just get that right out of there. Next, we're going to remove the bolt. Use a nice plastic trim tool, come between this edge right here, and pop this out of the way. Now let's grab this handle, and we're going to use our nice flathead screwdriver, come in between this area right here, just pry gently and try to separate the top area. Now we can lift up, and now we're going to relieve the cable from the handle itself. There it is, friends. Now it's going to be time to install our brand new door handle. Looking at the back, you can see the spring. Go ahead and pull down on that, and then we're going to put the cable into the slot and into its corresponding hole. Start it right in there like that. Okay, you can tell it fit into its little groove where it needs to go. This is looking great. Make sure the spring is facing towards the rear. We're just going to put this bottom piton into the hole down there, and then we'll turn it, slide this up and in. There we are. Make sure it's completely locked in there. This feels good, and of course it has spring retention. All right, now it's going to be time to get this back on. Go ahead and pull on the handle, slide this behind it, then latch it in. Now let's install our mounting bolt. Now it's going to be time to install our little hatch door. Pay attention to the flippy-doos on it. You're going to have one that's fairly large. That's going to face towards the rear aspect of the door. All right, let's test the door handle. Perfect.